guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a very simple maths. In economics, it's like economics. Actually in economics, we all borrow money from banks at an interest rate. The interest rate can run by annum or interest in 2 years. Now it depends what kind of scheme you take and you pay the interest. So to calculate, now we want to calculate the simple interest that you have to pay. So to calculate simple interest, absolutely to you, you multiply the principal amount by the interest rate, and the formula is simple interest equal to principal times. Okay, I'm gonna write it and I'll show you. Simple interest is equals to P times R times T, right, over 100. So it looks like this. That's what I'm saying. That's the formula. Simple interest equal to principal times rate of interest times time over 100, because you're finding a percentage, right? So principal is equals to, suppose you've taken a principal amount is 10,000 rupees or shillings or dollars or yuans. Yeah, so and simple interest, I want to show you just in a moment. I have to write it first. And the interest rate will be like this, and time taken, you see, for example, 1 year. Okay, here are the things. Principal is 10,000. Could be which currency, it depends which country you reside in. Simple interest will be 2,000. And time will be 1 year. So you're going to calculate something called the rate of interest, R, rate of interest. Okay, this is really simple maths. Are we together? So when I'm going to calculate rate of interest, so what we're going to do, I'm going to clean these things. I just shown you the amount so that I can now calculate the rate of interest. Sorry guys, here I have so many things around here, so when the lizards are around us, let me take the chalk. Oh, it's the chalk that fell down. Okay, so now using this formula, we're gonna multiply here times 100 and times 100 both sides this way to eliminate this from here. So this will go and this will go, so we have this against this equal to that, so that would be 100 SI, 100 SI equals to principal rate time, principal rate time, right? This thing, you remember we did cross multiplication here, 100. Now we have this, and now we want to isolate a rate, which is R. What do? We divide here by time and principal. Time and principal, so principal and time. So we'll have only R is equals to 100 times SI over PT. Now we have managed to isolate R here, and we got that. Now we did that, we divided by principal and time. So this will cross and that will cross, so we'll be left only with rate. Now rate is this one, which is 100 times simple interest over principal time. Now what you need to do at this stage is just to plug in the figures and you get the answer. So I'd given the figures. I'm gonna plug in the figures. I think you are copying or whatever. If you wanna copy, this is the thing. So far we've done that much. Then to make it quite clear, 100 times simple interest equals to principal times rate times time over 100, cross multiplication 100, cross 100. So the second stage there, you see simple interest. You now want to isolate the R, so you divide by principal and time here, so you get this one. Now you're going to plug in the figures here and you get the answer. So let's do that. Now rate would be equals to 100 times simple interest. Simple interest would be given it 2000 times 100 times SI means simple interest over principal. Principal would be given 10,000 times time is 1 year. Okay, now we have plugged in the figures. You can see what we are having there. This is the principal, that's time, that's simple interest up there, times 100. Now 2000, I have to gather space. The space is very small, so we have 2000 plus another 2 zeros, right, over 10000 over 10,000. You see, I've calculated that. I multiplied that, this one, I plugged in the figures. We had this one and this one, simple interest times 100. So I've now multiplied and I've gotten this. So from here I've gotten this thing. Now from here we simply have to cross and then we get the simple interest. 4 zeros will go and 4 zeros will go. Cross 4 and 4. So we are left with only 20 here. So rate of interest equals to 20%, because I think over 100 means it's in percentage. So there it is, rate of interest. When you calculate this, you just remain in 20. The rate will be 20%. Interest rate will be 20%. Simple interest is equal to principal times interest times rate. Okay, so this is a solution, 20%. So that's how you calculate the rate of interest. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and comment. Okay, bye. I have to put off. It's quite hot here. Bye. I hope you are liking these videos. So please like, subscribe and comment. Now I've shown you how you can calculate the rate of interest. If you take loan from the bank, you know how to calculate the interest rate. Okay, so you make an informed decision whether you're gonna take the loan or not, depending on the interest you're getting. So I'm not, robbing the bank of their businesses by showing this kind of formula, which I think all of you are quite familiar with, for those who know a bit of maths or economics. Okay, bye. Like and share, subscribe. Bye.